flash flood warnings, heat advisories, red flags, the whole everything. So this can be a very busy place on an active weather day. This last month, during May, this was the busiest, bar none, this was the busiest National Weather Service office in the whole country.
I'm Vivek Mahali. I'm a meteorologist at the National Weather Service in Norman, Oklahoma. For the campers, I demonstrated a weather balloon launch and explained their importance to the weather forecasting process. And it takes about an hour and 45 minutes before the balloon will pop. Launch twice a day here. We launch it 0Z and 12Z. Pressure to that pressure sensor right there. I also gave a presentation on severe weather awareness, so they have the knowledge to stay safe during severe weather. The tornado began right here, northwest of Newcastle, at 56 minutes past the hour. So they had 16 minutes of lead time. If you ever watch television, they say there's a high risk or a moderate risk or an enhanced risk of severe weather. That's essentially an outlook. Here, there's a tornado watch. That should be a clue that you should be paying careful attention to the weather for that particular day.
I'm Liz Lightman. I work for the Storm Prediction Center here in Norman. We forecast severe weather across the country. The SPC issues watches for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms, and we also issue outlooks out to 8 days for severe thunderstorms, including tornadoes, hail, and strong winds across the United States. If we don't have a good feel for what's happening now, it's really hard to predict what's going to happen later. Today, the kids and I, we hand-analyzed weather maps. So we identified different features on the map like cold fronts and warm fronts, as well as outlining the temperatures and moisture on the map, so that they could kind of see the process that we go through in the morning when we get to work, and how we become familiar with the different weather features of the day.
My name's John Hart. I'm a meteorologist and forecaster at the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. Drawn isotherms, which are lines of constant temperature, as well as isodrosotherms, which are lines of constant dew point. We drew streamlines on maps and just tried to get people immersed in drawing on weather maps and what they might be used for and how a forecaster might use them.
Get this $27 million proof of concept test operational. Got a little radar antenna that transmits radiation, basically like a small microwave you might have in your kitchen.